Hi everyone, welcome to our amazing automotive products channel. Today video is about
automobile headlight assemblies, parts, accessories.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
Alright, the LEDs I got them off Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description where you can purchase the exact same ones I got, and I'll also put a link to that seller's store. Check that out as well. Alright, they come just like this. Let's see, open them up here. Alright, got the instructions right here. This is going to be very simple installation. Very well packaged. Looks like that. Got a nice aluminum housing to it with the cooling fins on the back side. And this is looking like it's going to be a plug-and-play installation. Alright, well, let me get a couple tools and we'll get started. Now before I put that bezel back in here, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the lights, check both dim and bright, make sure everything's working good. Alright, it's finally dark enough. I'm going to take this rig out for a drive, see how well these new headlights do. Why don't you come along with me? Okay, now we're with the LED lights. You can see that the light is a lot whiter. Okay, that's high beam right there. I may need to adjust these up a little bit. Okay, back to low beam. Now we're going up that same drive there. That's low beam there. This actually looks darker than it actually was. And there's high beam. But a much whiter light.
Automotive lighting is truly one of our modern forms of personal expression. One of the first things anyone will notice about a vehicle are its various lighting components. So what does it take to create one of these works of art? Each of our products goes through an extensive design, manufacturing, and inspection process. Let's take a few minutes to see what goes into creating each and every one of our lights. A 3D scan model is then created to ensure fit and finish that meets OEM quality. Features such as LEDs or daytime running lights are added to the 3D model. CNC machines are next used to create new molds that will be used to produce the new light housings and lenses. This process is commonly referred to as rapid prototyping. Rapid prototyping drastically reduces the amount of time it takes to create first-run prototypes. Once these prototypes are confirmed, we can now move into full lighting production. Lenses are now created using the finalized production molds. OEM specification plastics are introduced into the molds and then allowed to harden into the final product. After being given time to cool, the lenses are removed, the mold surfaces are cleaned, and the process starts all over again. Once all of those tiny components have found their final home, they are permanently attached using this machine. Once assembled, every circuit board is inspected by hand for any abnormalities before moving into the final assembly. The lens is then installed onto the housing, and two negative dies are used to hold the components in place with the go through a final inspection every component is working.
So this is the factory headlights, halogen, 2012 Wrangler. They're just a halogen headlight. Got a reflector. They're on low beam right now. You can see above the turn signals on both sides. All you're gonna do is get right there and pop. Very easy. Once it's out, you can lean it out, and you'll see down along the bottom line here, you've got the other fasteners that are going that front cross member. Or you can just come right out. Turn signals come out very easy. All you do is just a quarter turn, just like that, pop right out. Super simple. And that's how you get the grill out. And then I'll go on and tell you. Okay, so the unboxing, but we'll go through it here real quick. They're packaged real well. I got good cellophane covers over the lenses, keeping dirt or moisture from getting on them. Dang, these things are, well, they're heavy. So this is a different looking light altogether. And it plugs right into your factory harness. Not a problem at all. The lock, everything works just fine. So you can see that well, it's pretty good in there. Kind of a newer kind of design. Kind of a two-tier. But the top of that is going to be your low beam, and the bottom is your high beam. They're very bright. So you can see there's a lot there. Put your low beams on. It's going to be that top half. And then the high beams, the lights. So there's your high beams. A lot of brightness out of those. And the good thing about these LEDs is you get a lot of side view, and they cast out to the side of the vehicle quite a bit. So you can see the embankments next to the highway, trees next to the trails, things like that.